Our beautiful sister, Destiny ETIKO. She don't come our table. Sis, welcome to this our beautiful channel, the Chinenye Naija Daughter TV. Yes, so no, no, don't mind me. So our beautiful sister, yes, cold day now, cold day with France. Yes, our beautiful sister, Destiny ETIKO. She just bring her new daughter come outside. She say she even writes on it. Say her clicks. This one, it not go bye time. This one, it not go bastaba. Our beautiful sister Destiny ETIKO, she said, my baby is growing so fast. He said, my answer princess. He said, who stop being nice. That is, she knows stop to be nice at all. Not do one. He said, at least this one is still very small, and I know she would not be too wide, rude, disrespectful, ungrateful, and a backbiter. It is well, Sha. My beautiful people, you know, say this my channel. Please, you can drop your own comment in the comment section. No insult. Drop your own opinion. What do you think? If you don't agree with my own, you drop your own. Maybe I'll get sent for your own. You understand? This channel is about we learn every day. We take something. I feel bring something. If you don't agree, then bring your own. Your comment section in polite way, not insult. Don't ever insult anybody, okay? Let this our house, this our audience when they try to gather, and this family when we want to try to build. Let we full of love, no hate, no bite. At least love. Somebody will come our comment section will say, wow, 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 wow. People here, they're wise and they get brain, they get sense, okay? This my beautiful sister, what I pick for inside. He said nobody can stop her be good. That is true for me. I always advise anybody. I always say to anybody, I will put her adult daughter here also. Now see how she showcase her on social media. You know, this our beautiful sister Destiny ETIKO. She first adopted a girl. This girl was very beautiful. You know, the first day when Destiny ETIKO, when they jam each other, I consider the girl they do. But now I don't test live. Or maybe people outside, you know, they'll tell her and say, ah, you beautiful girl, or you can do without Destiny ETIKO. My people, the word is deep. You know, the only thing that I pick on this Destiny ETIKO message is nobody can stop her being be good. If she try to support you and you that is you backfire her, she goes her channel to other place. If that other place, God will never let it happen. And if that other place see try to bite her or to tell her say what you do, what they never see before, then she go see channel her energy to another place. Now wait till I learn be that. Wait till you learn. For me, I always talk and say if you God really put on for your mind and you help somebody and that person he tried to pull your leg, he tried to say what do you do, he tried to say I beg you, don't ever stop being good, don't ever stop being you, okay? Just channel your energy to another person. I see one comment, that one he go do worst. He say I never stop being good. Is she there here? You can adopt her. You understand? A lot of people, they outside when they need this help, when they need this favor, when they need this luck. Because through Destiny ETIKO, this girl can't feel the art, he can't feel no people, he can't be popular on social media. Without Destiny ETIKO, I don't believe that this girl, nobody can, if for hear a voice, you understand? But because of Destiny ETIKO umbrella, people can't get to know her. You know, people can't still drop. You know, this life, no matter what you try to do, people must come for you and people will like you. Not everybody will just like you. Just know that thing. Once you shade yourself on social media, don't expect everybody should love you and everybody should like you. Know there will be decide. Other people will like you, other people will not like you. Just put yourself like that. No matter how you beautiful. Sometimes they will say, now her beauty, they make her, they do like that. And so sometimes if you not see beauty, not mind her very ugly. And if you see to do good, not mind her over good. Do you understand? A lot of things must come up. For this, our beautiful sister, come out, try to sow a seed on someone's life. I believe you don't already sow a seed for this girl's, her first adopted daughter life. Yes, she don't sow seed. No matter what that girl become today, this girl sow seed. Destiny ETIKO start her. It starts her, that is, she started. I know nobody's God, you understand, but God used human to favor. God will not come from above to favor you. Now, me and you, God will use to take sow seed for somebody's life. And appreciation, you know, appreciation go many ways. You understand? Waiting people they talk, they say Destiny ETIKO, different people now they carry, now she they carry, no. I don't know what they allege you. This girl they open her secret for outside. You when they open your that is your godmother secret outside. When you don't say your mouth not fit close. Where I don't feel to blame her because she's still young. Yes, I can put it like that. She's still young. You know, people in this world, mostly the social media, they need, in fact, strong story when you go make people to start following them. They buy story, they buy people's secret. If you big tomorrow, Know people you associate yourself with. You understand? If you big people tomorrow, vlogger can pay dear just your secret. A vlogger can pay a lot of money just for them to get you. Yes, they are just like that. Just for them to just get your secret. Anybody around you, they just need it. They just need them. Without, you understand? Because Destiny, she's big. And this her girl now, adult girl, she's just growing up. You understand? Any little thing, she can fall. She'll need guidance. Maybe mother guidance. Don't ever fuck this your godmother up. Don't ever leak any of her secrets, till she go grow. I don't know. I know say she don't grow, but something like that. You understand? My own beautiful sister, Destiny ETIKO, thank you for all your effort, for everything when you did do. May the Almighty God bless you. My own is that try still settle down. Yes, I know say I not be your mother, I not be your family member, but as you dey try to sow a seed, still remember your own life. Try to settle down, okay? I know why, okay? Try to still get your own. You understand? Try to look for man that is sweet to you when both of you go settle down together. Then you will still get your own child, because I look you like somebody who loves children. Like me, I love children. I love children so much. When they grow up, when I small, I love children. But glory be to God, today I have the one I call my own. I still wish you like that so that you have your own. Your own, that's your own blood. Yes. You can be helping other people, adopting other children, but it's good to still get your own if God bless you with one or two. You understand? Try, settle down. I appreciate, admire what you are doing. Keep it up. As you stop, may we not let any man, any woman to stop us being good. It's good to be good. It's good to sow a seed to people's life. It go in fact, many ways. You understand? If you help one person for family, that person, if he succeed, if that person wants to be still assist, that family don't ever suffer again. Or if you not go assist anybody, at least that person, children, they will never pass that suffer when their father or their mother pass when you help. Now, so help is good to be helped, because don't help that one generation. You they see, it's good to be good. If you dey out there, you always help people. People call you all kind of names. Let them say, let them talk. Keep doing you. Keep being you. Keep doing what you they do. Use this our beautiful sister Destiny ETIKO tell line. She said nobody can stop her being you. Nobody can stop her being good. She said her first daughter, though, her first adopted daughter, she love her. But wait till she pay her back. Many people, they are like that. Yes, many people, they are like that. You try to support them, then they will come with their wives, their this, then leave them. No, it still go like husband and wife. Video when I drop, I don't even know the video. It's like video of Maya when I talk about, say, it's good to be patient. And it's good to know who you stay with. You understand? It's good to be patient. This girl now, maybe we're destined for carry and go. Maybe for, in fact, if for fast time. Just because of, say, people talk, side talk, and you can do it. If this money they share with Destiny ETIKO, you can make it without Destiny ETIKO. Then, you know, to say that they caught her. You understand me? I not go that side. It's good to be good. Not ever say because you do good for one person, you want stop. Except you don't tire, okay? Don't let anybody to change who you be. Just try being you, doing what you love to do, and leave the rest for God. God will always answer you. I believe anybody, when they do good, God will never ever leave them. Who give person room, house to sleep, you will never lack of house. If you be type when you give people food, no matter the condition you are passing through, you will never ever suffer for food. Yes, I know why they talking. I testify, I know why they talking. Because I help a lot of people for this my city when I did, where they don't get place to sleep. Yes. France not be my country. I be immigrant for France. But glory be to God. You understand? Always try to be good. Always try to be you. Try to support people. If you help them, they beat you put. Leave them. Many years, they will remember you. They will still come back. They will remember you. Yes. That is my own tip when I comment today. Let me read just one or two comments. One person said, nice one, Destiny ETIKO. Do not let the previous experience you had with that ingrate, put an end to your goods. You see, that is true. Now, which I first talked just now. Intention. I'm also available for adoption if you do not mind. Okay. Another one say, I hope this is not lele be in. He say whether no be see. I say whether no be le. I think you understand. This word is not. You try to be good, people will say. And my sister, if you see they do one, please not initiate people, children. But you know, people must talk. If you try to be good, they will say, I hope say not the user and they do. But only God knows, you know. This one say, why does this feel more than just adopting a child? Please do not introduce innocent children into him. Now wetin they talk, they say, may no, which one una don't help? Una dey write this thing now. Which person una don't sow seed for? Which person una don't help? They see people, they see human being. My people, I go leave you now. That 3 comments I read. One of us talk say, make she try, make she get her own. Now wait till I first talk, make she try get her own. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, join this beautiful family. Don't insult, drop your own opinion. What do you think about Destiny ETIKO? Her first experience is good. Make she stop for there, or make she continue to be who she really love to be, who she really love to support. Make she continue to support. What do you think about me? I want make she continue to help people. If not genuine help, no be say they spoil people children, no be say they initiate people for any people children for anything. As far as they support me, continue to support. I can't wait to read your comment. I can't wait to see your own opinion. Oh lo lo lo. Let me see you. Oh la la la.
To see my adopted daughter, my Gitman's daughter that I once told you guys about it. I now train. She is so grown, and I know she cannot wait to see me. Where's my cookie? Okay, swollen. Oh, baby! Yay! Yay! How are you? Look at you. Merry Christmas. I come yesterday, I don't see you, madam. Oh, see how fine you are. Mommy's taking good care of you. Eh? Come on, hold her. Sorry, I can't say it. I try to keep it. I try because I love her. Only God knows I love Chinenye so much. I saw a girl coming from, I don't want to use any word that is not befitting though. Not coming from a rich background. I wanted so much to help. But no, I don't want to tell the story. I don't want to give people a story to talk about. Don't worry. Don't worry. But I say to God, if I meant well for her, I've always meant well for her. Be the judge of that. If I never meant well, let it never be well with me. It's life, you know. Most times I don't know what I should say. It's in my destiny to help people, and they don't appreciate me back. They don't, you know. I don't know. Father, we worship.